dear students, how are you? I hope you will be in the best of your health and enjoying your life. Students, if you want to make maths easy for you, quickly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get all the notifications of my next coming videos. Students, as you know, we have started chapter number 2 of class 9th math. The current exercise is 2.6. Now today we'll do question number 6. In question number 6, students, it is written if z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota and omega. This is not W alphabet, but in mathematical term it is called omega, a symbol of omega. Omega is equal to 5 minus 4 iota. Show that these two values are given, then show that means you have to prove that z into omega bar is equal to z bar and omega bar. So we have to prove this statement by using the values of z and omega. Let's see, students. We have two methods to solve it. First of all, solve the left hand side and then solving the right hand side. Both sides will finally come equal to each other. So there is another method. You can put the values as it is under these, and at the end we'll get both sides equal, left hand side and right hand side. So we'll do first method. Let's start the solution. First of all, we'll write left hand side. Left hand side is equal to z into omega bar. Students, first of all, we'll write z into omega whole bar is equal to. By writing the values of z and omega, first one is z, value of z 2 plus 3 iota, and we can put a bracket around them, into value of omega is 5 minus 4 iota, and there is a whole bar on both of them. Now we'll solve it. We can't remove this bar at this moment. First of all, students, we have to multiply them. And you know the method of multiplication. Let's multiply them. 2 will be multiplied by this whole bracket with both of these two terms, and plus 3 iota will be multiplied by this whole bracket also. So students, now one by one we'll multiply it. 2 5s are 10 minus 2 4s are 8 iota plus 3 5s are 15 iota and 3 4s are plus minus will be minus 3 4s are 12 iota into iota will become iota square. So now let's find which numbers can be added or subtracted. Look at these, the numbers with iota, they have different signs, that's why they will be subtracted. From 15 we'll subtract 8 and we'll get plus 7 iota minus 12 iota square. In place of iota square, students, will put its value, which is minus 1. 10 plus 7 iota minus minus will become plus. 12 ones are 12. Now these two are constants, so we can add them because both have same signs. Plus plus, it will become 22 plus 7 iota. And students, we have forgot something, this bar. On each step we must put or draw this bar line. Now at the end, this bar will be removed, and we are finding left hand side, which is z into omega whole bar is equal to, when we remove this bar, we'll get 22, and the sign of imaginary number will be changed. It will become minus 7 iota. So the value of left hand side, z into omega whole bar, is 22 minus 7 iota. Now students, it's turn to find right hand side, which is z bar and omega bar separate. It is separate on both of them. Z bar into omega bar is equal to, we'll put the values of these two. So first one is 2 plus 3 iota. We'll put a bar on this, and then value of omega is 5 minus 4 iota, and there will be a separate bar on this value. Now first step is to remove the bar here. In this case we had removed the bar at the end, but in this case students, we have, because bar is separate on both of them, so in the first step we'll remove that bar and we'll get 2 minus 3 iota. On removing the bar, the sign of the imaginary number will be changed, but bracket will remain around these, and it will become 5 plus 4 iota. Now the method of multiplication of two brackets is the same. 2 multiplied by the whole bracket, and then second term minus 3 iota multiplied by the whole bracket, and then now multiplying these inside the bracket, 2 will be multiplied by both of these terms. 2 5s are 10 plus 2 4s are 8 iota minus 3 iota will be multiplied by these two terms. 3 5s are 15 iota, and minus plus minus 3 4s are 12 iota square. So students, the situation is becoming likewise. Subtracting these two will get minus 7 iota and minus 12 iota square. In place of iota square, we'll write minus 1 again, and 10 minus 7 iota minus minus plus 12 ones are 12, and we'll add these two now. 22 minus 7 iota, so it's the value of z bar and omega bar, and we can see both sides values are same, so we can write, hence proved left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this is how to show that. This is how to prove or verify that these two sides are equal. Dear students, now we'll solve fourth part. In fourth part, we have z over omega whole bar is equal to z bar over omega bar. So this is the situation, and we have to prove it by using these values like we did in the previous part. Let's start the solution. First of all, we'll write left hand side. Left hand side is z by omega whole bar. So when we'll prove it, we'll write it again on the left hand side, and students, in the same way, we'll write z and omega's values in the numerator and the denominator. 2 plus 3 iota over 5 minus 4 iota whole bar. Bar will not be removed at first, so we'll apply the method of rationalization by multiplying this fraction with the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate means the imaginary sign will be changed. It is minus, will multiply this fraction with the conjugate of this denominator. It will be divided also, and bar will remain upon this whole fraction. Now we'll multiply these. The numerator will be multiplied by the numerator, and the denominator will be multiplied by each other in the same way. So students, let's see what is going to happen. Bar is still upon this whole. Now when we multiply the numerators, we'll get, now directly multiply these. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are plus 8 iota. Now 3 5s are plus 15 iota, and 3 4s are 12 plus 12 iota square. We have multiplied these brackets directly. Now look at these two are same but different signs, so we'll apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b. So according to that formula, the square of first term minus the square of second term. You know that formula very well. Now 10 as it is, adding these two will get 23 iota plus 12 into minus 1 in place of iota square over 5 5s are 25 minus 4 4s are 16 iota square. Now 10 as it is, 23 iota as it is, plus minus 12 ones are 12 over 25 minus 16 into minus iota, and 10 and minus 12 will be subtracted, minus 2 and plus 23 is the numerator, and 25 minus plus 16 ones are 16 is equal to, numerator will remain the same over these two will be added. 5 plus 6 is 11. 2 plus 1, 3 and 4, 41. So students, because bar is still upon them, so we'll keep on writing bar upon these fractions. So now bar will be removed, but first of all we have to separate the imaginary and the real numbers. Now minus 2 over 41 is separated, and plus 23 iota over 41 is separated, and this bar is still upon them, and minus 2 over 41 minus the sign of the imaginary number will be changed when bar is removed. 23 iota over 41. So we have solved left hand side yet. So we'll write here right hand side is equal to z bar over omega bar. Now solving z bar over omega bar, will write the values of z plus 2 plus 3 iota bar over 5 minus 4 iota bar. Now bar is separate on both the numerator and the denominator. Let's see how to solve it. Students, in this situation we'll remove bar in the first step. So when we remove bar, we'll get 2 minus 3 iota over 5. In place of minus will be plus 4 iota. Now we have to apply the method of rationalization, or will multiply the conjugate of this denominator with this whole fraction. 2 minus 3 iota over 5 plus 4 iota will be written as it is by multiplying the conjugate of the denominator, which is 5 minus 4 iota over 5 minus 4 iota. Now the numerator and the denominators will be written combined in the numerator and the denominator. Now 5 plus 4 iota into 5 minus 4 iota. They are multiplied. To do it further, we have to remove. So students, let's see what we'll do next. Now multiplying the numerators and the denominators. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are minus 8 iota. 3 multiplied by 5, 3 iota multiplied by 5 will get minus 15 iota, and by multiplying these two we'll get 3 4s are minus minus plus sign. 3 4s are 12 iota square over. Now multiplying the denominators. Look at the denominators again, students. Both are same terms but having different signs. So we'll apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So square of first term 5 square, square of second term is 4 iota square is equal to 10 as it is, and these two will be added because both of them have minus sign. So minus minus is plus, so we'll add them. We'll get 23 iota and plus 12 into minus 1 value of iota square. So 5 5s are 25 minus square of 4 is 16 into iota square. Now 10 as it is minus 23 iota as it is plus minus 12 ones are 12 over 25 minus 16 iota into minus 1, value of iota square. Now subtracting the constants, will get minus 2, 12 minus 10 is minus 2, and minus 23 iota over 25 minus minus plus 16. When we add them, numerator is the same and the denominator will be 41, and when we'll separate the imaginary and the real numbers, we'll get minus 2 over 14, 1, and minus 23 iota over 41. So this is the right hand side and it is equal to the left hand side. So we can write hence proved. Left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So students, this is how to prove or show both sides equal by putting the given values. So students, I hope that you have understood it very well. If you want to make maths easy for you, quickly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon to get my next upcoming videos. Students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video and we'll learn more. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. God bless you all.